Jabba, Jabba,
Jabafu, Jabafu,
Angafika
ngafika
izindlu
izindlu zigcwele,
zigcwele,
angalala.
angalala ngama.
Molweni namkelekile nonke kwezitshiseve entertainment guys izolo bekuzalwa uzigi zamadoda ziyamlandela kodwa azimfici our favorite reality TV star and producer uTatu Musa Mseleku. A beautiful happy 52nd birthday guys. Izolo I thought he was turning 51 but people are like on the show he turned 51 so it's now 52 it's a new year. Yabona nje siphikisana but anyways ke andikho apho guys. Where I'm at is the fact that literally everyone missed Tatu Musa Mseleku's birthday except for a top 3 Owami, obviously because he favorite ka Ethly Queen as well as Abongwe. Both these people are from Ethly Queen's house Gesana. They are the only ones, they are the only children who celebrated ke birthday ka Tatu Musa Mseleku on their social media accounts. And the only wife out of all the wives again to wish a happy birthday is Umayeni nakhona. It's not like it was something exclusive but uye wangena ke kwi-comment section kaTatu Musa Mseleku wathi happy birthday Manueshi ke washiya neheart. So all the other wives Mangwabe Makhumalo Mpilo Mawande, they are all very active on social media but guess what ke kushukuthi they also decided to choose iside ke lo mawabo and did not publicly. Okay, because we don't know what happens behind closed doors. They did not publicly wish ke utata wethu a happy birthday. So yeah, guys, nazo indaba zahora. To let me know what your thoughts are on this one and ngizonibona shortly. Bye, guys.